Hello, I'm Debbie Mercer, Dean of the College of Education at Kansas State University.
And I'm Lori Goodson, Assistant Professor in Curriculum and Instruction.
This past week, we had the opportunity to travel to Abilene High School and visit an early career teacher. Zach Cooper is an alumni of K-State.
We are so proud of Zach. He's doing amazing things at Abilene High School. He's got the students involved in all sorts of ag classes. They're working with hydroponics, they're working on greenhouses, and they're doing so much with the community and creating that relationship with the people around him.
So it was wonderful to visit Zach's facility and see the greenhouses, see the welding labs, see the facilities where his students are learning, building, and creating and making an impact throughout not only their school, but their entire community. So please join us as we crash Zach's class.
It's kind of a cool looking high school.
It is. So I say my name or no? Okay.
My name's Caden, and I'm a junior at Abilene High School.
Mr. Cooper, how are you?
Doing good. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm doing great. We have crashed your classroom while you've been busy being interviewed by Dr. Goodson, and so we've been having a great time, good conversations. I've learned quite a bit about fire pit fabrication that I didn't know before I came in. So your students have been busy and productive. Well, they've also been working with our videographer.
Okay,
so we're here
awesome.
to celebrate you.
Sweet.
Your College of Education is proud of you. You're doing a great job with students. I hear you have award-winning students. And so we're just here to celebrate Mr. Cooper and the great work you're doing at Abilene High School. So, Rusty, I'll let you share a video.
My name is David Pinetto. I'm a senior at Abilene High School, and I just want to thank Mr. Cooper. Thank you for everything you've done for us. Something that I really admire about Mr. Cooper is he never leaves anyone out, and he treats everyone with kindness.
My name is Gus Haug. I'm a senior at Abilene High School, and I'd like to thank Mr. Cooper for teaching me how to weld better and how to push me to get my projects done on time.
My name is Caden Wyckoff, and I'm a junior at Abilene High School. And I'd like to thank Mr. Cooper for pushing me to be a better self and doing better in school than I did last year. One of the things he's taught me is how to make an aquaponics system and the right time of year for plants and stuff.
I'm grateful for Mr. Cooper for helping me in my welding skills, continuing them, and then helping me teach kids how to weld since I want to be hopefully an ag teacher when I grow up.
I think the thing I'm most grateful about Mr. Cooper is he feels more like a friend than he does a teacher. So when we're working on projects in the shop, he really takes time to go one-on-one with you and help you out and talk about what he thinks.
It's obvious that you're teaching skills, but it's also obvious that you're building relationships, and we know that that's what good teachers do. You had Dr. Goodson as a wonderful role model and example for that, and we're proud of you. So we have some things to leave with you, right?
Awesome. Well,
because you can never have too much purple,
That is
ever,
correct. Never
ever.
too
So
much.
there's a few more purple things. And some horticulture supplies, so pruners, and
We didn't really know what we were getting.
you can thank your school leaders for helping give us some ideas. Oasis.
Well, thank you so
We heard
much.
something about dirt was needed, but we weren't sure how to get a truckload of dirt here. So
No worries.
you have other supplies.
Well,
So
thank you so much.
well,
I do appreciate this quite a bit.
We're honored to be able to recognize you. Truly, you're making a huge impact on lives, and that's what teachers do. So
Okay.
someday you will too.
So thank you guys so much.